Nestled in the Sooke Hills lies the Greater Victoria Drinking Water Supply Area. Over 200 square kilometers of protected, forested land in the Sooke, Goldstream, and Leach watersheds. The Sooke Lake Reservoir is the primary source of drinking water for Greater Victoria. The Capital Regional District protects our high-quality drinking water using a multi-barrier approach. The first protection measure is proper system design. The drinking water supply system is designed by engineers to meet all technical standards to make sure there is good water quality and availability. The second protection measure is source protection. The drinking water supply area is closed to the public, so no pollution from activities like swimming or boating, houses or businesses enter Sooke Lake. First Nations can access the Leach water supply area for traditional and ceremonial purposes. The protected healthy forest ecosystem provides habitat for a variety of local plants and wildlife, and provides natural filtration for the fall and winter rains that replenish the reservoir. The third protection measure is the disinfection process. Water passes through UV disinfection, then safe levels of chlorine and ammonia are added in accordance with health standards. This provides a long-lasting disinfectant, which protects the water as it travels through the pipe system to your tap. The fourth protection measure is system maintenance. Highly qualified and trained staff thoroughly maintain all system components through regular maintenance, including annual flushing, leak detection, and pipe replacement. The fifth protection measure is extensive water sampling and testing. 35,000 samples are collected and tested from source and throughout the distribution system each year to your tap to ensure high water quality. The sixth protection measure is drinking water cross-connection control. This prevents dirty water from flowing back into the drinking water system and mixing with clean water during a backflow incident, like a sudden change in pressure. The seventh protection measure is water conservation. This program includes outreach and education to help residents, businesses, and institutions understand the connection of our climate, water supply and demand, and how to use our finite water wisely. The multi-barrier approach ensures our drinking water is protected from the Sooke Lake Reservoir all the way to your tap. Even with one of the most secure drinking watersheds in the Pacific Northwest, we must plan for the future. The CRD undertakes diligent strategic and master planning for the water supply area to meet the future demand of water use. The Capital Region has a growing population and changing climate, so longer summer droughts will put increased pressure on the drinking water system. We continue to depend on water stored in the reservoir to be replenished by winter rains to supply our needs throughout the year. Join the CRD in protecting our valuable drinking water supply, build resilience in a changing climate, and delay investments in costly infrastructure upgrades by conserving water. You can help by living green at home and using water wisely. Learn how at www.crd.bc.ca/water.